I'm gonna make tangerine ginger margaritas. Tough guys will say this is foo-foo, but these are good. And if they think it's foo-foo, that's great too, because then I don't have to make them one, and that leaves more ingredients for the others. All right, here we go. You're gonna need tangerine juice. I squeezed this. That's fresh. I've got fresh ginger. I've got it cut up so I can muddle it. You're gonna need tequila, orange liqueur. You can use lime juice or not. People complain it's not a margarita if it doesn't have lime juice. So a half a teaspoon should satisfy them. Agave nectar or simple syrup, but it depends how sweet your tangerine juice is. This juice is pretty sweet already, so I doubt I will use any simple syrup. And you're gonna need a shaker. And this is easy. Let's muddle some ginger. 2 ounces of tequila. 1 ounce orange liqueur. Half a teaspoon fresh lime juice. 6 ounces of the tangerine juice. 6 ice cubes in the shaker. All right, we're gonna shake it. Shake it, don't break it. Took your mama 9 months to make it. There we go. She's ready. I don't strain these because I like the ginger. All right, let's put this in a margarita glass. I lay a piece of shaved ginger in there. Even put a little tangerine slice on the side. Beautiful. Cheers with a tangerine ginger margarita. Oh, that's tasty. Ooh. Ooh, that would go really good with a brunch. You have to, that or a Bloody Mary, hard choice. It's medicinal, it has ginger in it. Well, thanks for watching.